But getting in a helicopter and snowboarding, like, that is the special part. That's the coolest part.
The sickest thing I've ever done.
Send it.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, it's awesome!
What's up, Team Buckhouse? As you can tell, we're heli snowboarding. We got the boys, Michael, Benton, and the guy down there, his name is Yush. And we're gonna have a sick day. Ripping some turns. That was our first drop from what my experience last year of heli snowboarding, which if you want to check it out, check that video right there. That's the lamest drop of the day, and they only get better and better as the day goes on. So get ready for an insane, sick heli day. Send it.
Snow's better than I thought.
Big turkey, little turkey. Y'all ready for a ravioli roll?
Yeah, roger that. No cheese ravioli with some extra Parmesan cheese.
Alright, I'm gonna throw an eggplant Parmesan coming in hot.
I can't see.
Okay, I can see some rocks. Oh, let's go. Help. Slow down a little bit. Holy smoke. This is gnarly. Wow. Kind of crusty powder. Whew. Yes. Oh, praise God. Woo! Oh, yeah! Oh, come on! Woo! Yeah! Look at this!
Enjoy yourself on that.
Oh, yeah! Oh, it's awesome!
Alright, so we're walking over to drop number 2. You guys are wondering where my helmet is. I left it at home, all my gear. I had to get all new gear for this trip. Once we were out here, it was a mess. So no helmet, but we're riding POW, it's gonna be okay. All the kids out there rocking helmet when you rip, and this next drop's looking good. Look at where we're at.
Yeah, beautiful, huh?
Come on. But before we drop, we gotta make sure we mention today's sticker shout out. We got Roll Reed with the white sticker on the helmet with the insane background. Dude, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, Evolution stickers are how we did this heli trip. So if you want to support the dream and have us come out and do more heli trips and a bunch of cool fun stuff like this, snag an Evolution sticker, hoodie, t-shirt, long sleeve, any of it, guys. All the merch is linked in the description if you do snag any of it. Tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But follow my Instagram. That's how you know that we were headed towards a heli trip, and also where I'm riding for the day. A bunch of bonus extra content on the Instagram. So please follow the Instagram. It's all linked in the description. And Michael's going. Here we go.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Oh, 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 serves this on her mind. To count your blessings, cause it's telling fair, telling fair. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they come in for you. Yeah, yeah, no. Don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Maybe you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Oh, 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 serves this on her mind. To count your blessings, cause it's telling fair, telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the ugly truth. How they come in for you. Yeah, yeah, let's go. It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. Think twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight, that reality gets so. There's no point.
All right, guys. So we've done a lot of the same runs I did last year, but thankfully this chute that we went down was different from last year. So that's awesome. Overall, riding the helicopter is the coolest part of this whole experience. The snow is good. We're riding some sick POW, but we give sick POW on resorts. We've been there, we've done that. But getting in a helicopter and snowboarding, like, that is the special part. That's the coolest part for sure. What would you say, Benton?
The sickest thing I've ever done,
Yeah.
for sure.
The whole experience.
Yeah,
It's-
Yeah.
it's the
incredible.
experience. So it's pricey to do this. Not everyone can afford to come rip heliboarding, but when you do, enjoy it, cherish it, because it's fun.
ISO, let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real day. Stay Tommy'd up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we bad to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate.
On a serious note though, guys, I hope you're enjoying this content. I hope you've enjoyed season 5. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, but sometimes I want to come and show you guys how sick Silverthorne is and how accessible and easy it is for you to do this. Anybody can come do this. I have snowboard camp coming up, so if you want to learn how to snowboard like me in Mount Hood in Oregon in June, sign up for snowboard camp. That's going to be linked in the description. It's an all-inclusive camp other than your flight to Oregon and then your transportation from the airport to the Airbnb, but then I cover transportation to the mountain, your lift tickets, food, all of it, the Airbnb. It's a sick time. So many people showed up last time. We already have 3 people signed up this year, and we're only taking 20 people, 10 per week. There's 2 weeks. So sign up for camp if you're interested or you're not going to make it. And here we go. This is sick. It's amazing how exhausting riding deep PAL like this is, but I feel good. Ooh, let's go.
Wow, you got some speed. That was
This is the last PAL of the day, and it was sick. Oh, I'm so sorry. All right, that was the day. Michael, how was it?
Oh, dude. You know, can we just buy a helicopter? It was awesome.
Might be beautiful. Cheaper than just doing this a bunch. Benton, did you have the best day of your life?
Yes.
Better than competing? Did you have a good day even without backflipping?
It could have been better.
Don't listen to him, guys. He sucks. And then our buddy for this trip is Yush. How was your day?
what up? It was great. I mean, my legs are whooped now.
Yeah.
So that means that I did a lot of vertical. And I got some nice turns, soft snow. Can't complain.
Can't complain at all. And we're gonna do it again tomorrow, but we're not heli. We're hiking. We gotta walk to all of our drops. Still gonna be worth it. I'm actually really excited for the hike terrain because like I said, I did that heli terrain last year. So the hike stuff's all different. I'm not new drops, and sometimes it's nice to walk for your drops. I'm super thankful that my gear didn't feel too weird not rocking with the helmet. Hopefully the head cam footage was still super smooth. The helmet helps keep it together, but overall, an incredible day. I hope you guys liked it. Once again, please smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, supporting the dream, making this possible. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video. Oh, all my avalanche, all my gear, goggles, everything in the description.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Nice.